Today we're going to be looking at a unique property. There are townhomes all over the city, but there's not many next-gen townhomes. It's going to have 2 bedrooms, 2 baths on the upstairs, and 1 bedroom, 1 bath downstairs with its own entrance. They do not share an entrance. There's also the garage off to the side, 2-car garage. But we'll start in the main portion. It's going to be 2 bedrooms, nice big great room upstairs, large kitchen. It's a really nice open plan, plenty of windows for natural light, which is nice when you get a townhome because a lot of them don't have a lot of windows. It's going to be a total of 1,858 square feet. We're also up in the Sunstone master plan in northwest Las Vegas. And this will be a gated community with a community pool. You can have a nice laundry room. The builder's including all the appliances at the moment. They're also offering special financing on the quick move-in models with, of course, using their preferred lender. Nice size primary suite. You're going to have a walk-in shower, dual sinks, walk-in closet. And some of those special financing incentives also include closing costs at the moment. The incentives always change. Lennar has a tendency to change their incentive weekly. And of course, depends on what they have, quick move-in available, because these special rates you just can't really do with a home that's 10 months out. So again, the second bathroom in that large open great room. And let's go head downstairs and see the 1 bedroom, 1 bath unit. And there is an exit to the rear yard that is private. Again, the garage door to the left, entrance to the next-gen suite attached. This is a kitchenette. You're not allowed to have full kitchens in these secondary living spaces, at least not when this was built. A small living room does have access to outside. You could rent it out. You can have a family member stay in there. Gives you a little flexibility. It also will have its own washer dryer and the walk-in shower in the bath. And if this works for you, call us. If it doesn't, still call us. We'll find what does. 702-480-9137.